Let's take a look at how to work with your class calendar. Select Calendar to see the schedule for this class. The calendar shows the schedule for today by default. Select the buttons in the upper left corner to view the calendar by day, week, or month. Use the navigation arrows to view past or future calendars. Keep in mind that your current view remains when you navigate. In other words, if you are viewing the current week, navigating forward will show next week. If you are in the month view, it will display the next month. The calendar shows assignments in blue, instructional content in gray, and events in pink. These match the categories found on your dashboard calendar. Select a particular day to see everything listed for that day. Assignment dates are based on the start and due date specified in the original assignment or test. To view an assignment, select the assignment and select View to go to the original assignment page. Select the Content or Settings tab to make changes to the assignment. To delete an assignment from the calendar, you will need to delete it on the Assignments page. To view instructional content, select it on your calendar and then select View. Instructional content is added from your lesson page. To add a resource to your calendar, select Add to Calendar on the Resource Action menu. Enter the start date or select the calendar icon to select the date from the calendar. Enter the end date. Use the same date to schedule on one day. Select Add to Calendar to add the resource to your class calendar. The scheduled date appears on the resource. Select Add to Calendar from the Tools menu to add the entire lesson to your class calendar. When you add your lesson to your calendar, the date appears in the navigation banner. To change the scheduled dates of your instructional content, select the content on the calendar and select Change Date. Make your edits and select Save. To remove it from the calendar, select Remove from Calendar. Select Remove to confirm. To add an event, select the Add Event button located above the calendar. Enter a title and the start and end dates. Use the same date to schedule on one day. Select the checkbox to have the event also appear on the student version of the class calendar, and then select Add. To make any changes, select the event on the calendar and select View Edit Event. Make any edits and select Save. To remove it, select Remove from Calendar. Select Remove to confirm. This concludes our look at the class calendar. Be sure to look at other help materials for more information about using this program.